Welcome back. We are now in lesson 2 of our HTML tutorial video series. In the previous lesson, we learned the basics of HTML. In this video, we will learn how to write a better HTML with HTML attributes. Let's get started. What are HTML attributes? HTML attributes are additional information about an HTML element. They provide the characteristics of an HTML element. For better understanding, let us go through some examples. Here at the left is an HTML code that displays the sentence, "I love HTML." The output of this HTML code is shown at the right. Notice that in this code, "I love HTML" is within P element. For additional learning, P represents a paragraph element. In the output, "I love HTML" is displayed at the left, which is the default position for text. Now, what if we want to position this text at the middle? To do that, we can add an attribute in pStart tag. The attribute name to position a text is align, and the value will be middle, since we want to position the text to the middle. Our paragraph element should now look like this, with a line attribute inserted in pStart tag. This line tells our browser to display "I love HTML" in the middle. Here is the updated HTML code that displays "I love HTML" in the middle. Note that we only added the align attribute to tell the browser where to display the text "I love HTML." At the right is the browser output displaying the text in the middle, since we set align attribute to middle. If we want to display the text at the right, we will just simply change align value to right. For now, do not worry about the attribute names and values that you can possibly use. The important learning that we are trying to achieve in this lesson is that you understand how attributes and their corresponding values work in HTML. Let us now review what we have learned from the previous example. We have learned that attributes are additional information that can change the behavior of HTML elements. Just as we did in the previous example where we added align attribute with middle value in the paragraph element, the browser was given additional information to display the text in the middle position, instead of the default position, which is at the left. We have also learned that attributes are written within start tags. And we have learned that HTML attributes come in pairs of attribute name and value. Here's another example. Using the same HTML codes that we used in the first example, we now added an image element with two attributes. An image element displays an image. In this case, we are displaying a heart image. The first attribute defines the image source, which is heart.png file. This is the image shown in the output. And the second attribute styles the image, where the values indicated tells the browser to display the image at the center. As you might probably notice, attribute names and values are written in English-like form, hence they are very easy to understand. As we go along in this tutorial, we will encounter and learn more attributes, and you will feel more comfortable with using them. To familiarize you with writing HTML codes, we will learn in our next lesson the common tags used in HTML. See you in the next session.